luck.
How you making out?
No luck.
No?
No. Maybe 2 or 3 bucks.
Not enough for breakfast yet?
No.
But listen, after last night's American Idol, I feel rich.
You should, and you know why? Had nothing to do with American Idol. Harry Connick Jr.
Harry Connick Jr.
Harry Connick freaking Jr.
Love him.
He was great.
You know, he saved everybody after Katrina.
Do you know a secret story about that? Everybody's like, we can't get into the National Guard, can't get into New Orleans and stuff. Then he pops up on TV down there. He's like, y'all don't know about this bridge.
Listen, he did that exact same thing last night with Lee DeWise.
He did. Well, that was a nice segue.
I know. He found the bridge.
He found the bridge. The kid was good. The Creed guy, out of nowhere, does a great Sinatra.
I'll tell you something. This season of American Idol has been difficult for me. Impossible for you.
If it's difficult for you, what does that say?
Horrendous for you, difficult for me. Last night, one performance redeemed.
I don't know if I'd go that far, but I'll tell you what, I don't know how the kid can lose now. I mean, I guess there's 3 weeks left or something. But...
Okay, here's now my 4th bold prediction.
Yep.
My 4th new bold prediction.
Okay.
Lee DeWise will win American Idol.
Here's mine. I'm going to go home and listen to all of my Harry Connick Jr. records. That's what I got out of last night. Did anybody else do anything good?
Big Mike was
pretty good.
And I say that as a not Big Mike fan. I thought the other 3 were. I thought Crystal was mediocre. I thought Casey and Aaron were dismal, and I think Casey's going to go home.
Okay, my boy Casey's going to go home. He should have done something from like September of my years. I think that was an ill-advised choice. He couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Well, we're here at the beach.
Get back to it, will you please? I'm hungry.
I can't work this thing.